Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hopefully you are enjoying good health. We are going to learn today in this mathematics topic about the length. Before starting about the units of length and how to measure the length, we need to know first what is length. Length, if we go to the definition of the length, we can say, let's suppose I have 2 points. This is one point and this is another point. If I will join these 2 points, then the length of the line is called the distance between these 2 points will tell us about the length of the line. So length we can say is the distance between 2 points. To measure the length, different units are used like kilometer. Shortly we write it km, which is the SI unit is taken as meter in the system international. The unit of the length is meter. For shorter length we use centimeter, or for even smaller shorter length we use millimeter. These all units of the length, kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, or even we use sometime decimeter also. These units of the length are linked with each other. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, and in 1 meter there are 10 decimeters, and in 1 decimeter there are 10 centimeters, and in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. So if directly I have to write from kilometer to meter, whenever we need to change from kilometer to meter, we need to multiply with 1000. And if I have to change from kilometer to decimeter, if we are changing from kilometer to decimeter, then we need to multiply with 10,000. And if we have to change from kilometer to centimeter, from kilometer to centimeter, then we need to multiply with, we will increase another 0, because in that way it is going to be 3, 4, 5 zeros, 100,000, and so on. But there is an easy way to remember this conversion from one unit to another unit, and that will be the stair method. You can remember the stair method. Let me make here different stairs, and you use stairs to move up. Here if I will write on the stair, let's say I'm writing kilometer, here meter, then the smaller unit decimeter, then centimeter, then I will have millimeter. Okay, if I need to convert from kilometer to meter, then I will multiply it with 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. From meter to decimeter, then we'll multiply with 10. From decimeter to centimeter, with 10. From centimeter to millimeter, with 10. But if we have to go back, from millimeter to centimeter, then need to divide with 10. From centimeter to decimeter, need to divide with 10. From decimeter to meter, need to divide with 10. Now meter to kilometer, need to divide with 1000. But if we have to jump directly, for example, from kilometer to decimeter instead of meter, if you need to move from kilometer to decimeter directly, then in that case you can see 3 0 these and 1 0, then you need to multiply with 10,000. If from kilometer to centimeter, then how many zeros will be in between 3, 4 and 5? Then you need to multiply with 100,000, and so on. This procedure will work for that. And also when you have to go back from millimeter to kilometer, the same procedure can be used over here. Let's solve now the learner book page 72. If we look at the question given in the learner book page 72 is, you need to work with a partner to record the measurements of their body parts. Copy the list below. Check that your partner is using the measuring equipment correctly and reading scale accurately. Alright, so what you need to do is in the A part, you need to measure the head circumference. Here is the head circumference. You can use a meter scale to measure that one, and you can measure the head circumference here, this part. And then you need to measure it from the front, and in the round complete circumference of the head you need to measure. You can take the flexible measuring scale or meter scale can be used, which is actually in the form of the rope. You can use that one to measure. Then the neck circumference means the circumference of the neck by rounding around, as the tailor used to take the measurement of the collar to measure the collar size, so you can measure it in any unit. You can measure it in centimeter or in millimeter. It's up to you, whatever unit, but mention the units used, whatever units you will use. And then shoulder to your fingertips. From shoulder to the fingertips, you have to measure the length you can use for this part C. From shoulder to your fingertips, and then D is elbow to fingertips. Using from elbow to the fingertips, you can measure the length. And then wrist circumference. So the wrist circumference, again, it will be in the form of the circle as your the circumference, complete circumference you will measure. So in that way, this is a practical work that you have to do. You can measure the length of your hand span, and even you can measure the height from the ground to shoulder using the meter scale, and even the foot length you can measure using the meter scale. So this practical work you have to complete. This is what we have for today's lesson. See you next time, inshallah, with a new topic.